How to log in to ANZ Bank credit card. Now in order to log into your ANZ Bank's credit card account, just simply open any of your browser and then search for ANZ Bank, and then this first link of anz.com will appear, and under that if you look closely you will see the option of credit cards. Select credit cards option and this page will appear in your screen. Now in order to log into your credit card account, you just simply need to go into this upper section of your screen and you will see the option of login. Tap to login button and you will be in the login page of ANZ Bank. Now in order to log into your credit card account, you need to enter the customer registration number which is associated with the credit card account. Simply enter that in here and enter your password afterwards. After entering your CRN and password successfully, tap to login button, and this way you can very easily log in to your ANZ Bank's credit card account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.